In 6th grade, we're going to apply and extend previous understanding. So that's huge. We've got to build on what they should come to us already knowing. Of multiplication and division to divide fractions by fractions by using, and it does highlight the visual fraction model in 6th grade. And they want to see the use of the equation. And we looked at this particular problem right here. Susan has 2/3 of an hour left to make cards. It takes her about 1/6 of an hour to make each card. About how many can she make? And I liked the number line. And I had not paid that much attention to this because with M-Style, we had only done a lot of shading with that model, and I'll show you in just a minute. And so if you'll see here, you've got your 6th. Now what she and I talked about is that here's our time here, that we probably would have made just one big arch instead of, we were trying to make sense of the example and why it looked like this, but we probably would have done one big arch so that they could see the relationship of the time and so I labeled each card.
I like that
So
too.
you visually see it. And here is another example, and it's the same thing of dividing a fraction by a fraction, but this time it uses the area model. And one thing in bits and pieces with M-Style is that we lay them on top of each other, and that would get confusing to me at times. And I told Gina that I really like doing 2 separate models because I can see this better than having to shade that 1/2 on top of this. And so that was just something that came out to me, but because that visually makes it very simple for me to understand what the answer would be. So.